You're about to discover how to exploit the same insider forex cartels shortcut that I've used to build a personal fortune. That's right, in just minutes from now you can rack up 25 to 30% monthly gains like clockwork. Here's the ultimate proof. Heck, as you just saw from my verified Alpine UK trading account, I've posted gains of over $383,032.36 profit in just 4.5 months. All because I was lucky enough to be on the inside and learn the truth. I'll tell you the whole story in a minute. For now, just know that you'll never look at the forex market the same way again. Soon you'll understand why this secretive forex cartel has made it virtually impossible for you to profit from trading. But the good news is that once you download this secret trading app, you can automatically tap into the forex money flow just like the insiders do and rack up 25 to 30% monthly gains like clockwork, even if you've never traded before. And rock steady account gains too. But first, let me get something straight right up front. I'm on a mission to put the odds in your favor instead of the forex cartel, as I like to call them. As you'll see, until recently I was on the inside with them, making myself a fortune. For reasons I'll explain in a minute, I've gone rogue, and I'm exposing a closely guarded secret trading app that lets anyone shadow the forex cartel's exact trades in real time. These insiders have been lining their pockets with pips taken from accounts like yours because they're often on the other side of your trades. You and I both know there is so much nonsense out there in the forex how-to industry, and I want no part of any of that garbage. I'm sure you're sick of it too. So let me put my cards on the table. Here's my HSBC account worth $14,290,940. That's almost $15 million. So I don't need your money. I have my reasons which I'll explain in detail, but unlike too many guys out there, I'm not making my money selling how to trade info to make my living. No, my motives are different, and I think when you hear the whole story, you'll understand why I'm doing this. I know it was almost dumb luck that allowed me to learn the forex cartel's secret methods. Before that, I was probably just like you. I searched for the right trading method. I was fascinated by the markets. And my quest to find a way to make a living from the forex turned into a long journey. Whether you've been trying for a day or a decade, you're very lucky you found this page. Your timing is perfect. Before I go on, I want to make it clear that I believe anyone can follow in my footsteps. I'm not some crazy genius who figured it all out in my basement. In fact, I'm no rocket scientist. I don't even like to work very hard. I've had a pretty normal life. I've made a ton of mistakes. Sheesh, I spent so much time and money on all the wrong ways to trade. I'm practically the Thomas Edison of forex. Before I stumbled across the forex cartel and got trained in their methods, I probably tried the 1,000 systems that do not work. Sound familiar? I tried countless robots and EAs, and only a few of them were worth a damn. Many overstuffed trading courses that made my head hurt. Lame signal services that drained my account like leeches. I even tried to turn some indicators into my own system and failed miserably after wasting several months each time. After struggling for close to 5 years, I was about to give up. Then I stumbled upon a job at a forex investment firm. At least I could earn a paycheck working in the trading industry. It was dumb luck. My eyes were open to what it really takes to be successful trading forex, and boy was I surprised. Things were so much different from what I imagined. I'm glad that I took the job, because it's crystal clear to me that it would have taken me another 5 years to succeed on my own. Let's put it this way, I had some good ideas, but I was going nowhere fast. Heck, right now you probably know more than I did when I started working at the forex investment firm. But the important thing for you right now is that with the secret trading app I've created, none of that matters anymore. With this secret trading app, you don't need any trading experience. You don't need a big trading account. You don't need risky robots or unproven EAs. You don't have to be chained to your trading screen. You don't need to watch for signal from some advisory service. You don't need to wade through another $2,000 forex course. You don't need to waste time testing trading systems and indicators. You don't have to wait 10 years to master Forex before you profit. You don't need to worry about which trading gurus are scammers. You don't need to keep searching for a profitable way to trade. Now all you need to do is download this app, and you're automatically plugged into the insider's own trading system. It may feel like you're getting an unfair advantage and maybe you're not paying your dues, but let's just say I did that for you. You've just stumbled across a massive shortcut to trading success. I'm about to save you from wasting a lot of time and money trying to figure it all out on your own, or suffering through years of trial and error like I did. I've been there and done that. You probably can't name a service indicator, robot, or EA that I haven't traded and mostly lost money on. I promise you that what I'm revealing to you today is like nothing else available to the public. What I've done is found a way for anyone who is lucky enough to get their hands on my secret trading app to instantly plug into the methods of the Forex cartel and trade like an insider. Because of what I've created, you don't have to know a pip from a pickle, as you'll soon see. The key to all of this is tapping into the same methods that the Forex cartel use to make their fortunes day in and day out. If you don't, here's the cold hard reality you need to face. Dirty secret number 1. Most trading systems are a joke, based on outside strategies that are doomed to fail. Because most of these systems don't really work, they trick you with phony gimmicks. They're programmed by hacks and slapped together. Then some marketer pimps the amazing system to unsuspecting outsiders who buy them up like hotcakes. Please, give me a break. When I worked with the insiders, sometimes we'd laugh at the latest robot to hit the market. Like I said, there are a few good systems and services, but good luck figuring out which is which. Trial and error is extremely expensive, as you may already have learned the hard way. Between the insiders and the scam artists who peddle bogus robots and overhyped EAs, and all the complex Forex courses and fancy indicators, your chances are slim. Listen, there are good trading methods and systems that developers have sometimes stumbled across by accident, but the truth is it can take years to really master trading like that. I know firsthand. Like I said, I bought more robots, EAs, indicators, and courses that I can count. The Forex cartel doesn't screw around with that stuff, let me tell you. They're on the inside, and they mostly win and win and win when everyone else just loses. These guys pull in pips like clockwork because they know which side of the market to be on. Basically, if you're not with them, you're against them. Here's why that's a bad idea. Dirty secret number 2. The Forex game is rigged against outsiders, and very few ever make real money for long. Not only do most robots, EAs, and trading courses stink, the fact is that even the well-intentioned developers are at a disadvantage. The problem is that what people think they know about Forex just isn't what really moves the market. It's an illusion. That's why sometimes bad news will spark a rally and good news can lead to a sell-off. And this is true of stocks, bonds, currencies, and commodities. Each market has its own insiders. And the media always comes up with phony reasons for what the market did, but they don't have a clue about what's really going on, trust me. Here's the bottom line. Go against the Forex cartel and you'll lose, period. They hold all the cards. Let me explain. If you've ever taken a signal that looked perfect and only lost, then you've been nailed by the insider effect. They knew that systems based on certain patterns will trigger, and they sucker you into going against them. Look at this classic fake-out. To many traders, this looks like a head and shoulders top, and many systems will trigger a sell signal near the previous high. But little do they know a huge rally is about to break out. The insiders are already bought in and just waiting for the panicked sellers to dump their short positions, which just drives the market higher and the insiders make even more profits. See, where I circled in red, the market is moving up to the previous highs, and there are a ton of methods that say sell resistance, right? Well, you can see what happened. The Forex cartel system is to buy at the low and wait for the outsiders to rush in and sell. Here's another example. Insiders made a fortune while everyone else got slaughtered. Just when you think you've got the Forex figured out, the cartel's going to get you. In the chart above, it looked like the EUR-USD was holding its support, and many thought they were clever for buying at the lows. Then the bottom dropped out and the market fell like a hot rock as buyers panicked. The Forex cartel really nailed it on this one, because there were several places to pile on the profits and make bigger and bigger gains as the market kept faking like it would bottom out and go up. If you only learn one thing here, it's this: never bet against the Forex cartel. That's good advice to be sure. But I know what you're thinking. How do you know what the cartel is doing? I'll explain how in a minute. But first, I want to show you another deadly pattern that just kills accounts of outsiders while the cartel cleans up pips like crazy. One of the favorite plays for insiders is when the market isn't really going anywhere, so they fake out the buyers and sellers and play against both sides. I'm telling you, getting to be on the right side of moves like that adds up quickly. Let me tell you how I discovered the shocking truth about the Forex cartel. Like I said earlier, I took a job at a Forex investment firm as a junior investment analyst. I climbed up the ranks over a few years of hard work and became a junior fund manager. Then, for reasons that are still a little unclear, I was taken under the wing of the main head of the fund and was introduced to the guys I now call the Forex cartel. They trained me in their proprietary methods so I could make them more money. In return, they said, I would become one wealthy and eventually one of them. That was no lie. I didn't make almost $15 million all by myself. It just happened by following the method and secrets they taught me over several years. For a while, I was living my dream life. But then, the markets fell apart in 2008, and I watched as we made a fortune while everyone else fell on hard times. And the Forex cartel just laughed, smoked Cuban cigars, and drank 50-year-old scotch with shiny Ferraris in their mansion's driveway. That was the last straw. I never forgot my humble beginnings, and I couldn't just stand by while these insiders profited while everyone else struggles. It was burning me up because I know most traders will never succeed because the game is rigged against them, and they don't even know it. Here's the thing. When you're racking up massive profits and living the good life, it nags at your conscience when you know most of your fellow traders are going broke. I wrestled with what to do because there were no easy answers. Sure, I wanted to help, but I didn't want to give up on the golden goose, if you know what I mean. But one day, I'd had enough, and I decided to turn the tables on these insiders and give traders like you an even better break than I got. It's a win-win. I finally figured out how to turn the Forex cartel's methods into a secret trading app that gave me the best of both worlds. You get the chance to profit along with me, and I don't lose what I've worked so hard to achieve. Hey, I had one more reason that I'm not quite proud of. To be completely honest, I'm bragging a little by showing you my success here. See, as you now know, I was once a clueless newbie and just wanted to learn how to trade. I finally made it, and what good is that kind of success if no one else knows about it? That's why I just showed you my HSBC account. The bottom line is I had to get your attention, because if you're going to listen to someone about trading, it should darn well be someone who's built up a fortune from scratch trading, right? Once you understand what I've been able to achieve, you'll have an idea of how important this secret trading app could be for you right now. Let's get to the heart of the matter. Everything you think you know about trading Forex is probably dead wrong, and it's not your fault. Sure, it is possible to learn the secrets to trading Forex, but the reality is that it could take you 10 years to learn the fundamental, sentiment, and technical methods. And then you still have to learn to know what the insiders are really up to in real time. You can either commit to spending years to figure this out on your own, or you could hear me out. I strongly suggest you listen up. Forget the stock market. Don't mess around with commodities. And don't get me started on trading Forex without the insider's edge that I'm offering you. When you tap into the unlimited wealth potential of the Forex market like the insiders do, you'll never look back. In case you're new at this and don't already know, there is no faster wealth-building vehicle than the leverage in the Forex markets. They're open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. You have the potential to make a profit when the insider's methods are trading almost any time, day or night. With the secret trading app I'm about to reveal to you, it's even possible to completely automate your trading. And get this, you'll be trading the same way the insiders do. Listen, it doesn't matter what the economy does. In fact, the worse things get in terms of global chaos, the faster you can make money, believe it or not. Remember, the forex cartel makes money in all market conditions. Forget trend trading, scalping, or counter trend too. Just follow the trades that the insiders are taking and you won't have to care about any of that stuff. Unlike any other market I can think of, all you need to get started is $100 and a valid credit card to set up an account. Start small if you want, as you follow in the steps of the insiders to rack up steady gains of 25 to 30% a month. Just think, right now you're just an instant download away from joining me trading like the insiders. It's your turn to finally cash in on the $4 trillion a day Forex money machine. Imagine not having to care about the job market. Never again worry if you can buy groceries or pick up the check at a restaurant with your friends. Isn't it time you could pick up and go on a dream trip whenever you want to? Life's too short to worry about the economy, my friend. Join the ranks of the wealthy and kick up your feet and enjoy the sun and surf for a while. Believe me, you've earned it. Literally, all you need to do is download my secret trading app to get started. Here's why. See, when I decided to leave the Forex cartel fund, I paid a programmer a fortune to create a proprietary app that lets another MetaTrader 4 account trade when mine does. Nothing could be easier than that, right? You don't have to learn a thing about Forex. You get to tap into my trades. See, even though I don't work for the insiders anymore, they can't erase what I learned over all those years, making them and me a fortune. In fact, they can't stop me from continuing to trade. And the reality is, they don't care. These guys play with billions of dollars a day. What you or I do is no matter to them at all. And now I'm prepared to plug you into the money game that I've mastered. Think about what this could mean to you as I explain how my secret trading app works. In just 4.5 months, I banked $383,032.36 profit following the Forex cartel system. Would you have liked to have been able to copy those trades for your own account? Of course you would. That's what's so amazing about this. Anyone who has my proprietary secret trading app automatically wins when my account wins. It doesn't matter if you know anything about trading at all. Your account just copies the trade I take from my private account. Sure, you get to decide if you want to take a trade or not. But I'm confident that when you see the results for yourself, you'll just put it on autopilot and trade when I do. You could go on vacation and flip a switch and not take any trades. Or you could make money while you're on the beach. Whatever you want. It's totally up to you. You're in control of your account 100%. My secret trading app just gives your account the ability to trade automatically when mine does. There's a catch though. I'm not going to release an unlimited amount of downloads, as you can imagine. If you are one of the lucky few who get to claim a copy of my secret trading app, then this is all you'll have to do. Download the secret trading app. Click install when the software tells you to. Follow the simple instructions for setting up your Forex account. Activate the secret trading app. That's it. Notice I didn't say anything about you figuring out anything about Forex or trading or anything else. Leave that up to me. That's the whole point. The reality is that because I put in all the hard work and got the connections with the Forex cartel, you don't have to spend another minute trying to figure out the Forex market. My secret trading app plugs you into my trades automatically. Remember, you choose if you want to trade or not, so you're in control. You get to piggyback on the Forex cartel's own methods just like I do. It's that simple. It doesn't matter if you know a pip from a pickle. You can bank up to 25 to 30% a month on autopilot. Most mutual funds don't make 25% in 5 years anymore. Just imagine having your account grow like clockwork every month on autopilot while you're getting to go out and really live your life. I don't know about you, but any trader I've ever met would literally give anything to make these kind of returns without having to even know how to trade. My secret trading app is designed to hand you the trading lifestyle on a silver platter, while you get to do whatever you want. If you want to, you can follow along with the trades and learn to read the market the way an insider does. After a while, I'll bet you'll be able to trade any system you choose better, but that's up to you. Just seconds from now, you could be installing my secret trading app. It's super easy and full instructions explain exactly how to download and install everything you'll need. And then in a few minutes, you could be racking up gains like I do in my own account. It's all just a few mouse clicks away, but only if you get to claim a copy of my secret trading app. For reasons that I'm sure you can understand, I can't let too many copies get out there. The reality is that I can only accept a limited number of traders. It's only fair. I've got to assure that the program continues to be profitable for all of us. Once I reach the limit, I'm going to shut down this page. Don't be surprised if you leave and come back later to find that the doors are closed. Can you imagine how hard you'll kick yourself if you miss out on this? Good news. If you're reading this, then at least one copy of the secret trading app is still available. While you don't have to know anything about trading to download and profit from my secret trading app, you do have to recognize the opportunity for what it is and take action. I've made it as easy as imaginable to profit from the Forex with my secret trading app, but you have to take the next step yourself now. I know what you're thinking. How much is this going to cost? Like I said, I don't need your money. The way I see it, you do have to place some financial commitment, so I know you're serious and will not take up a spot someone else should have. Sorry to be blunt, but I worked long and hard to get where I am, so I'm going to choose to help those who appreciate the shortcut I'm offering. The last thing I want is for someone like you to miss out on my secret trading app because somebody who wasn't serious got one of the limited downloads and didn't even use it. You know by now that my secret trading app is incredibly valuable, even priceless if you think about it. Don't worry though, I'm not out to charge an arm and a leg. It's obvious that I could ask just about any price I wanted, considering that in 4.5 months I ranked up gains of $383,032.36. Besides, no one else has my secret trading app. I spent a fortune having it programmed custom, and there's nothing else like it anywhere else. The fact is that without my access to the methods of the Forex cartel, no one else has the unique expertise to even design another app like mine. And you know the insiders are not going to give you their trades. So I had to think long and hard about what to charge the lucky few who get to download my secret trading app. My closest trading colleague said if I charged less than $10,000, I was crazy. But the whole point of this for me is that I know how tough the economy is these days, and I want to do something about it. Believe me, I remember when I was spending all of my time and money trying to figure out the Forex market. Back then, even $1,000 was a lot of money to me. So I thought about setting the price for my secret trading app at half that, for $495 a month. I knew that I would leave a lot of worthy traders out in the cold at even that very reasonable price. Heck, when times were tough for me, even $100 was a lot of money, really. That's why I've gone one step further, and my secret trading app is just $67 a month. Most people spend more than that on their cable television. As soon as I looked at it that way, I knew that. If you're even a little serious about trading the Forex, this is a no-brainer, especially when you consider my 100% no-question-asked 60-day money-back guarantee. That's right. I'm so confident that my secret trading app will work for you that I'll make you this ironclad guarantee. For any reason at all, you can cancel within 60 days and get a full, cheerful refund of every penny you paid for my secret trading app. That means that for a full 2 months, you can benefit from my secret trading app, see the trades I'm taking in my account according to the Forex cartel's methods, and everything is backed by my 100% guarantee. Just remember that in my own account I've shown you that I pulled in $383,032.36 in 4.5 months, so a full 60 days is more than a fair test drive of the power of my secret trading app. In other words, you're happy making money and enjoying every minute, or I'll give you your money back in full. You'll get back every penny with no questions asked for any reason at all. That way, you get to download my secret trading app today and get up and running in minutes from now. Try it out for a full 60 days and you'll see the results in your account with your own eyes. It's that simple. Here's the one catch. To profit from my secret trading app, you have to download your copy before I take this page down. You can't tap into the $4 trillion Forex money flow just like I do unless you act quickly. There are going to be a lot of traders who miss out on this, but I can't help that. Only a limited number of traders can use the app, and I won't let too many downloads get out there. You'd do the same thing if you were me, I'm sure. So it's your call. You can either keep doing what you've been doing, keep getting exactly the same results you've been getting and follow that long road of trial and error like I did. Or you can take decisive action right now and potentially change your entire future, again, just like I did. The only difference between you and me is that I'm handing you the chance for success on a silver platter and giving you a full 60 days to check it out. Right now is your chance. Take the first step to joining me in the world of insider profits and forex and grab your download of my secret trading app while you still can. Just click the download button below and you'll be up and running in minutes. If you've read this far, I have to believe that you're serious about changing your life for the better. You've got a chance to take a shortcut most traders can only dream about. You now know the power of the forex cartel and the futility of trading against them. And that is what you'd be doing if you aren't one of the lucky few who get my secret trading app. There's no two ways about it. I put in a decade getting where I am, and if you give this a try for 60 days, you'll have a once-in-a-lifetime chance to join me. Now is your time. You deserve this. Don't let your copy of my secret trading app go to someone else. If you want to make money starting right here, right now, then download my secret trading app by clicking the download button below. Your order is secure and fully guaranteed by ClickBank. You're 100% protected by my risk-free 60-day any reason at all guarantee, and you can cancel anytime or continue at $67 per month. That's it. No more staring at charts. No more buying systems and praying they work. No more racking your brains over complicated trading courses. Download your copy of my secret trading app and get ready for a whole new life to start right now. When you download my secret trading app, you can instantly get winning trades and follow the same insider system I do, but only if you take action now. So if you want to make money starting right here, right now, then click the download button below and claim your copy of my secret trading app now.